Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of mini brands Fill the Fridge. And I literally just got them in the mail literally 2 minutes ago. So it's in this. I ordered 10 of them. But I got, I think, 5 of the 2-packs. So let's open it, and we're going to unbox them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-packs. Sorry guys. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to be opening them all in this video. So I have the checklist because I opened some already. The fridge, hopefully I get some new ones, and my duplicate jar. So I'm missing 1, 2. Hold on. $29 food items and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 magnets. So hopefully I get some new ones in this video in these balls. So I have some scissors here. Oh, before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys successfully completed the Flash Scan challenge, comment down below if you guys have mini brands and if so, what series is your favorite, or what is your favorite mini brand? Usually I just cut them, like the container, but these are kind of hard to get open, but I think I'm just gonna have to cut it. That's what I've done before with other mini brands. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put the trash in the bag, because I know my trash can's gonna get full fast. Okay. Ball number 1. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 10 balls. Ball number 1. I like this series. I want to complete the whole set. Hopefully I get the ice in one of these balls, because I know I got the eggs, like, when I last got these. Okay. Checklist, which I don't need. The magnet is a duplicate, so I'm gonna put it in my duplicate jar. Okay, number 1. I do have the turmeric shot already, so that is a duplicate. Number 2. Fruit tray, I already have this one. Number 3. Lamb chops, I also have this one. The duplicate jar is going to be full. Okay, number 5. No, 4, sorry. I have this one already. That's a duplicate. It's the Eggo waffles. This one. This one I already have. Soy sauce. And the last one for ball number 1. Bagel bites, which I already have. So no new ones in that ball. I don't know what to put the balls. I'm just gonna roll them over to my closet door. Ball number 2. No. Perfect. Whoa, that was a good pop. Okay. That's all I don't need. Okay. Bag number 1. Eggplant, already have. 2. Bottle of water, which I already have. Duplicate jar. Number 3. Fish, which I do have. So far I'm not getting any new ones. Number 4. Ooh, I think this is a new one. It's a new Olipop. It's a Tropical Punch Olipop. So I think that is a new one. Okay, number 5. Ooh, Pizza Hut box. This is a new one. I want to see what one it is. It is, I think, the Hawaiian pizza. So that is a new one. Okay, last one for ball number 2. And I do have this one. It's the tater tots. Okay. Second package with ball numbers 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, ball number 4. I hope I get some new ones in here. I really want the ice in one of these balls. These ones don't take that much time to open, like the other series, like Series 5, for example. And those took a while. Okay, checklist. Okay, bag number 1. Milk, I already have. Oh, this is a Creations. I gotta see what one that is. Oh, Pizza Magnet is new. I forgot that. Pizza Magnet is new. Chocolate Ice Cream Co. Magnet is a duplicate. So anyways, this is a Creations. I'm gonna save that one for my sister to do. Okay, bag number 2. Lamb chops. Okay, 3. Ooh, another Pizza Hut box. Let's see if it's the Hawaiian pepperoni or cheese pizza this time. It is the pepperoni. So there's another new one. 4. Ooh, Cool Whip, which I do not have at all. So another new one. Okay, this one before the creations. Another pizza thing. It's the wings. I already have this one. Okay, now let's see what the creation is. So it's like the tiramisu, I think it's called. Yeah, tiramisu. So my sister's gonna have to make this one. I'm gonna grab the ball so I could put it. Actually, let me open this one, and then I'll put it in this ball. I'm dropping stuff. Okay, let me open this ball, and then I'll put the creations in this capsule. I don't know why it's opening like this. Whoa, that was also a good pop. Okay, let me put the creations in this capsule for my sister to make. Checklist. Magnet is a hot dog, which I already have. Okay. Bag 1. More bagel bites. Bag 2. Philadelphia cream cheese. I do not have this one yet. Oh, let's see if this is the cheese pizza. It's another Pizza Hut box. Nope, it's a pepperoni. That's a duplicate. Okay, number 4. Another bottle of water. Bag 5. Another fruit tray. And this one's lamb chops, I can tell. Lamb chops. Okay. So that was 3 and 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. Package number 3. Yeah, 2-pack number 3, and then with balls 5 and 6. Okay. Ball number 6. Not as good. Did I get a new magnet? No. Duplicate magnet. Checklist. Bag number 1. I got another carton of eggs. I need this to fill up my egg thing in the fridge. Okay, bag 2. Juice. I have this one. So if I get another carton and eggs, it will be in fact a duplicate. Anyway. Juice. I already have that. Okay, number 3. Eggo waffles again. I already have. 4. Ooh, barbecue sauce. I do not have this one yet. This one. Bag number 5. Pudding cups. I do not have this one yet. Okay, I'm getting lots of new ones. What's this? Okay. And a fruit tray. I already have that. Oh, I almost threw it away. Okay. Hopefully this one will have the ice, because I'm really looking for that. And I just filled up my egg carton, or egg thing in the fridge. Well, not yet, but I'm saying that because I have the other carton of eggs. Because there's 16 egg slots in the fridge, and I already got 1 8-pack of eggs last time I opened one of these. Hey. Magnet. Ooh, a list. That's a new magnet. Okay. My fridge is getting full with magnets, so I'm getting lots of new ones. Okay, checklist. I'll put it over here. Bag number 1. Eggplant. Already have. Number 2 is Auntie Anne's pretzel dogs. I already have it. Number 3. Juice. I already have. 4. Ooh, mayonnaise. I don't have this one yet. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new ones so far. 9 actually, because the creations. And plus the mag. Ooh, I got the lobster. Okay. Last one for ball number 6. Yeah, 6. And it is another new one, Mike's Hot Honey. Okay, pack number 4 with balls number 7 and 8. Or, yeah, 7, 8. 7 and 8. Imagine the ice being the last thing I open. No. Okay. Ball number 7. That was good. Okay. Checklist, already have. And duplicate magnet. Okay, bag number 1. Another lobster. Bag number 2. This is a big one. It's the Pizza Hut Big Box. I already have this one. Oh my gosh. Kind of hard to get out. Because it's so big. Pizza Hut Big Box I already have. Pack number 3. It's another fruit tray. I have like 10 of them now. Oh boy. 4. Potato tots, already have. Number 5. Juice. Number 6. Ooh, grape lollipop. I don't have this one yet. Okay. Ball number 8. I did not get a new magnet in that, so hopefully I get a new magnet in this one. Oh. Okay, hot dog magnet, duplicate, checklist. Ooh, this one's big. Should I open it? Should I open this one first? Yeah. Ah, it's chicken. I already have this one, I think. Yeah, I already have it. Okay, number 2. It's the bottle of water. This is how full my duplicate jar is now. Okay, number 3. Hold on. Oyster sauce? I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway. 4. Broccoli I already have. Number 5. It's the another big box from Pizza Hut. Number 6. Pizza Hut. Let's see, it's cheese pizza. Nope, it's another pepperoni. Okay, last pack with balls 9 and 10. Ew. Okay. Ball number 9, and then ball number 10. Come on. I'll go to the other side of the thing. Okay. I will be done with those scissors now. Okay, balls number 9 and 10. Ball number 9. It was an okay pop. Okay, magnet is also a duplicate. Checklist is a duplicate because I have like 1,000,000 of those already. Okay, bag number 1. Craft singles already have. Bag number 2. It is the rum unit. Nope, it's the it's a Hershey syrup. I already have that one. I thought it was a rum unit. I guess not. Number 3. Cool Whip already have. Number 5. Nope, number 4. Just kidding. Juice. Number 5. A jar of oats already have. And bag number 6. It is the fish. Already have. Okay, last ball. Ball number 10. So, if I get the ice, I know it'll be squishy because it's in a plastic bag. And it does open, but which people don't like, don't open the ice bag. Well, you're supposed to because there's an ice scoop and an ice bucket in the freezer. So, yeah. Okay. That was lame. That was lame. Magnet. Oh, I got another Creations. It's another charcuterie board. Okay, let's open the Creations first. It's the same Creations. The same creation, so that is a duplicate, which I'm not going to put it in the duplicate thing. I'm going to put it in a plastic ball. And I'm going to put it in a safe spot. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Anyways, bag number 2. Milk, already have. 3. Lamb chops, already have. 4. Kraft singles, already have. 5, it's another Pizza Hut Big Box, already have. And then number 6 is the Cool Whip, which I already have. So no ice, but I did get another carton of eggs. So, yeah, let me just close up the duplicate jar. That's how high it was now. So, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 new ones. So I think after this video I'm going to check them off and then, actually no, I'll pause the camera and check them off and then I'll update you of how much I'm missing now. So see you in a second. Just kidding, guys, I do not have 12 items. I have 11. The Grape Lollipop was a duplicate. Anyways, let me just check all the new ones off the list and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back and I have 20 food items missing and 7 more magnets. So, anyways, that will be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys want me to unbox more Fill the Fridge mini brands and what was your favorite one that I got today. So anyways, I could get going and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.